So let's say I have a box, a cuboid, now whose dimensions are, I'll say this is 4 meters, this is 2 meters, and this is some 8 meters. I have a tank filled with water. What is it? Tank is filled with water whose dimensions are 8 meters, 2 meters, and 4 meters. Now this tank is emptied into another tank. So this is emptied into another tank whose dimensions are, this is 8 meters, this is 4 meters, and this is 6 meters. So this is completely filled. A tank whose dimensions are 4 into 2 into 8 is completely filled with water. The water is transferred into another tank whose dimensions are 8 into 4 into 6. Got it? So the question is, if density of water is 1000 kg per meter cube.
So that is the general, right? That is like the general density of water.
Yes, that's the general density of water. Now I'm filling water. This is what is given. Find pressure on the base of the second tank if the water in first tank is totally emptied into it, or is completely shifted into it.
Sir?
Yes, sir.
Sir, what is the acceleration due to gravity? 9.8 or 10?
You can acceleration due to gravity, take it as 10 meter per second square. Fine? Yeah, do it. So I hope the question is clear. The first tank is completely filled with water and density of water is given to be 1000 kilogram per meter cube, right? If the total water in the first tank is filled into the second tank, you have to find the pressure applied on the bottom of the second tank. Okay, let's see. Now, what is the volume of water? Volume of water, I'll say volume of water is equal to how much? 8
64.
into 2 into 4. How much is that? 8 to 16
64.
into 4. That is 64 meters cube. That's fine?
Yes, sir.
Now let's say because see here area is more. So if I fill it, maybe it will only be up to this height. The water will be only up to this height. So let's say the height till which water is filled is h. Then what will be volume of water in tank 2? Can I write? What is area of the base? 8 into 4 into h. Can I write it like this? 8 into 4 into h. Yes or no?
And it would be 32 H.
So 8 into 4 into h, which is equal to 32h. But volume of water in both the tanks is same.
Yes,
Because
sir.
the same water is shifted. So can I say 64 equal to 32h? So
H
what is h equal?
2.
2 meters. So what is the height in this? It is 2 meters. Once you know height, what is pressure given by? Pressure equal to density into height into g. What is density? 1000. What is height? 2.
2.
What is acceleration due to gravity? 10.
10.
So how much would be the answer? 20,000. So what is the height here? All of you got 16 meters. So D is how much? 1000. G is 10 and H is 16. So how much is that? 1,60,000. So it is 1,60,000 Pascal.